Hey everybody, what's up? So today it's another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make very easy gift boxes using a paper cup. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first of all, just go ahead and cut that, like the border thingy, the cup like that. You don't need to cut a lot of it, you just need to cut the line. And yeah, so I have cutted the line, and what you need to do is just go ahead and grab your scissors and cut on the gaps. Like, you don't need to cut small lines, you just need to cut a little bit. Like, you need to cut wide strips, but like that. So yeah, so everybody, the gift box is done. You can just add that paper on it, or if you don't wanna, you can just leave it. So you can add any gift inside, like any jewelry or some candies or anything you wanna give your friend or anyone. So on the top, I added this super cute bow that I made in my previous video. The link will be in the description below. You can even add a paper rose. The link will be in the description. And yeah, so I also made these super cute other boxes, this other box, and it turned out really nice. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye.